fishing to go help a buddy out, give us a call. The boat broke down. It is some kind of rough right now. We're fixing to head out and go find them. ACH out. Woo! It's rough and it's cold. I'm telling you, dude. We love you, Ronnie. ACH is on its way, buddy. Ow! These waves are a little rough. ACH! Where's our friend? We're gonna find him. That you? Ow! Hey, it's shallow in here, ain't it?
10 foot, 7 foot.
Well, at least we got a wind break. Them boys is in the water. Looking a little cold, I bet.
That water is 62 degrees.
Oh,
And I'm telling you, if you know you're alive.
I'm telling you. That rod right there make you feel alive for sure. We found you! Woo-hoo! My God, I know you're cold. Want this stop right here? All right, here we go. Yeah, we're recording, bro.
Let's get that rope out.
One of our own.
I'm hoping that we can just hook it to this cleat hook I got, and we'll just kind of. Now we're gonna.
Oh.
My gas is so low I can't pick up fuel.
Think that's what it is? Hi, Steph.
Can we just tie that one on?
I'd say hook it to your front right there. What do you think, bud?
I say hook to this.
Build a fire.
It's definitely not warm enough to be in the water right now.
That'll hold long enough just us
Did you catch any crappie?
Yeah, we got 2 sleds. We went up at creek behind Chuck's. I hit something, knocked a big old chunk out of my frog.
Oh, Lord.
Dude, it's been a day.
You gotta love it.
You just gotta make sure you just always run that. You've got aluminum prop, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't run a stainless or.
Yeah.
It's over. Alright.
Alright, push us off.
You want me to turn your boat that way?
Yeah, if you could. Alright, I'm engaging it, Ronnie. Don't get near it.
Be careful. Stephanie, sit down so it don't jerk you there, sister. Keep this line over here. Guiding. Could get a little bumpy. All right, Brett, here we go.
Hang on, hey, let's move it to this one. Well,
Why don't you get lined out and get straight?
I'm just gonna go real slow for now. But see, I'm saying like that line's gonna be across there. You have to just hold it for a minute.
No.
I mean,
No.
just keep it up until we get straight down.
I got you, buddy.
Alright, well,
Yeah.
yeah, I'll try to keep it off that cow.
Where's his boat, gravel pile?
We're going to go over here by his house, and he's going to try to mechanic on it and fix it. And then he's.
It's rough as crap out there.
Well, I don't know. I mean,
Well, we can cruise this way.
I think, yeah.
Probably. But it's rough right there at the boat ramp.
We'll be going with the wind this time since against it. I don't know. I think that's like the least work. What do you think?
It can be done. Anything can be done. We're HCH. There's fish everywhere on the net under. The Lord bless us with a little calmness right now. Just out of nowhere. It was 100 knots a while ago and it just kind of died down to almost nothing right here. Makes it a lot easier. We're just rolling right along.
That 60 horse is doing just fine. Got it at Nichols Marine down in McAllister. Plant. Get him up.
Oh yeah, I'm creeping. Well, he's it out. Low body can't handle these legs bent up no more. Starting to try to Charlie over something. Fantastic. Oh my Layla. You got any pickle juice?
Not with me. Not with me.
Oh, Lord help me. I need some sun on them bad boys. Look at that. Woo. How's that, Ronnie? Awesome. That thing just drove by itself.
So local harvester called and had motor issues. We're out here doing a rescue.
Recon mission.
That's right. We're right back there. Woo! Huge network of friends, and we all care about each other, and that's just the way it's got to be. Haskell County Harvester.
Here we go. It ain't too bad. Well, we're on the rock. Yeah. I think so. Yep.